What did you think about it? Like when you heard about Airo Builder, or what were your expectations when you heard about the challenge?
Well, I was curious about an AI app building all the things that a software developer usually do. So when we were given access to the site, I thought of making a game to test the physics engine that site displays.
Have you
So
ever created a game before?
I had some experience in game dev for 2 or 3 months. Just I prompted based on that experience to Aero. I developed that's an infinite flow hopper site. It had random assets based on random ideas, like a horse chasing a moose.
Mm-hmm.
So first, I tried a level-based design where an entity, the player chases the entity which is supposed to be chased to test Aero's decision making, and then that thing came how well it can make graphics or sprites based on minimal prompt attempts.
Let me start by sharing my screen really quickly, just to show people what you've created. I want to say that I did play with it a little bit yesterday, and I really enjoyed it. So it's like a moose chase. I'm gonna
Yep.
start by clicking on space, right? And then it's- it gets to jump. And then what kind of, like, how many prompts did it take you, for example, to get to this?
Just five, just 5 prompts it took me to make this good of a game.
It's amazing. I mean, I can go on and play it for a very, very long time, but would you like to
Yeah,
take me through your prompts?
it also has level differentiation. Like every 5 levels, you will be able to getting a random power up.
It's really nice. How did the idea come about to you?
Well, I just wanted to test the physics engine and camera deployment of Aero. Then, every time the character the player controls collides with an entity, the camera shakes, and how the entities are stationary and the character you're playing is the one actually moving. And it is generating entities on the fly while also remembering the previous play field that the character passed through.
Was this part of your prompt? Like, now I'm interested to see what kind of prompt
Yes.
did you add?
This is the prompt page of my site. First, I gave it a basic idea. Like I wanted to make a browser game that the player was that would display a player controlling a horse, navigating obstacles to chase a moose. That part, and then the depiction and visual style of the game to be retro pixels and in a symmetric point of view, in which the camera follows the character while also shaking and being just dynamic by whatever the character does.
When you were coming up with the prompt, did you ask like another AI tool to help you with it, or were you able
No,
to?
that's just a.
This is amazing. Okay.
Then I added stuff like in the first prompt, I just made the whole game without any intervention of mine. The second one, like customize the collision boundary of the host to be smaller than what is visually represented, so that it wouldn't be colliding or triggering HP damage by all the stuff that's being thrown out at him. It's also fixed that without any further intervention. And I also added player level adjustment field so that new players wouldn't have to struggle like guys who are in the advanced levels. So that the horse would start slow. It would ramp up speeds as it catches the moves and increase in level. Then I also added more animated sprites, more dynamic sprites instead of just static obstacles to add some difficulty to the game. And in the end, I also added animation for the sprites. It also did a damn well job regarding that. It didn't require any further prompt for me to make assets on its own. And in the end, I just added some balance tweaking and some power ups which will be granted to player after every 5 levels. That was all. That was yes. This is the whole cycle of this game.
Wow. And like, how did you feel about using Aero Builder to complete this? Like, what would you tweak further to make it better?
The only things that require tweaking is adding more items. There's no improvements required as of such.
Do you have any plans for your game? Do you want to make it have a leaderboard, or have a sign in so people can sign in and play and you can track them?
Yep, a multiplayer leaderboard will be nice to have in this game
Hmm.
to compare hit scores.
I agree. I agree. I really, really like it, Ojas. Thank you so much. I've been playing a little bit with it.